Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 2 subject science. Before we start with our video, there are some important points that I tell you to follow each and every day. So I will just remind you that points. Please listen to me carefully. If you go out in case for any work, if it is necessary, then please see that you wear your mask whenever you go outside. And if possible, do not go out, stay at home and stay safe. Avoid going out unless necessary. See that you keep your surroundings very much neat and clean, and keep the place where you sleep also neat and clean. See that you wash your hands very regularly during the day. Wash it for 30 seconds at a time, and even before and after washing, wash your hands properly. See that you keep a handkerchief with you in your pocket even while you are sitting at home. Take care of your parents and elders. Now, today's thought: worrying will never change the outcome. So, the meaning of this thought is that you do not have to worry about anything. Don't think too much about anything. Just forget everything. Do your best and leave the rest. Leave everything else up to God, up to Allah. He will take care of the rest, but you have to do your best. The content that we are going to study in today's video, that is lesson number 5, bones and muscles, that we have just completed. We have understood, we have completed the textual exercises also. So today we will continue with that lesson, but today we will solve the question bank of that lesson. Means some extra and new questions I have brought, some new and interesting exercises we will solve today, which we have never done before. And learning some extra questions for practice, it will give you a better practice of this lesson. You will learn some new questions and your understanding will become proper. Then you have to write along with the video. I suggest you are sitting with your notebook and pencil eraser, so you should write the answers along with me. Let us begin. So here is the question bank. So today's heading you will give question bank. Question bank number 1. This is the first question bank. We have solved the question banks of lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now today we are solving the question bank, that is the first question bank of chapter number 5. What is the name of the chapter? Please, whenever you watch the video, first in the heading you should write the name of the lesson which we are studying. So here I have already written the name. You have to just copy and write it in your book. Bones and muscles, that is lesson number 5. So after giving that heading, after giving the heading of question bank, let us see the first question which is there in question bank. Here the first heading is given: underline the incorrect word and write the correct one in the given space. Means the sentences are given, we have to find out the incorrect word, the wrong word, and we have to underline that word. After underlining, we have to write the correct word instead of that wrong word in the given space. Means the blanks are given over here, so there we have to write the correct word and we have to remove the incorrect word. So let us read the sentences one by one and we will find out which are the incorrect words. You will just write down the answers when I write over here. Number 1. Joint gives shape to our body. So what gives shape to our body? Does joint give shape to our body? Is this the image of joint? No. What is the image of? This is the image of bones. What gives shape to our body? Bones give shape to our body. Joint does not give shape to our body. So let us replace that word. So here is the answer. You have to write the answer. The first sentence we have done. Joint gives shape to our body. The wrong word is joint. Bones is the correct word. So the correct sentence will be like: bones give shape to our body. So we have to replace this word joint with bones. So you can write joint and in the blank you can write the correct word, that is bones. Bones give shape to our body. Number 2, it is given, we can squeeze our body around the joints. Can we squeeze our body? Squeeze means can you crush your body totally around your joints? No. See, what is this boy doing? He is doing exercise. He is bending his body. So this is called bending the body, not squeezing the body. So the incorrect word over here is squeeze. Let us replace. So the incorrect word is squeeze. We cannot squeeze our body around the joints, but we can bend our body around the joints. This is how you bend your body. Bending your body is a very good exercise. So you have to replace this word squeeze with bend, B-E-N-D, bend. This is how you bend your body. Next, number 3, it is the same heading. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct one in the given space. Number 3, bones are covered by fingers. Again, I will read out for you. Bones are covered by fingers. So do you see over here, is the bone covered with the fingers? Is it correct? No, there is one incorrect word in the sentence. What are the bones covered with? See, this is how the bones are covered. So our bones are covered with our muscles. They are covered by muscles, not by the fingers. So let us replace this word fingers. So you just have to write the answer and you have to write the incorrect word first. Fingers, that is wrong word. The correct word is muscles. Our bones are covered by muscles. This is how muscles cover our bones. If muscles would not be there, our bones would look like this, like a skeleton. So bones needs muscles to cover itself. So we can do all the work. Next, we should always have an uplift posture. Now what is posture? Posture is your position when you sit, stand or walk. How you sit, how you stand or walk, that shows your posture. So we should have an uplift posture. Is it correct? No, there is one wrong word over here. Can you see a wrong word? The wrong word is uplift. We should not have uplift posture. Instead, the correct word is upright. We should have an upright posture. So let us replace this word. So you can write the correct answer, UPRIGHT. Upright means you have to sit straight, you have to stand straight, walk straight. Your back should not be bent. So we should always have an upright posture, not uplift. You have to replace this wrong word with this correct word. So now let us see the next, number 5. The same heading, the last one. Weak muscles help a weightlifter to lift weight. Is it correct? Does the weak muscle help the weightlifter to lift the weight? See, this is the man who is lifting the weight. Lot of weight, heavy thing he is carrying because he has muscles. Now, are his muscles weak or strong? What do you think? Of course, his muscles are strong. He does not have a weak muscle. He is a weightlifter. Means he is lifting this weight which is very heavy. So his muscles are strong. That's why he can lift the weight. So the wrong word is this. Let us replace. So strong muscles help a weightlifter to carry weight. If your muscles are strong, then like this weightlifter, you can also carry lot of weight. But your muscles must be strong, not weak. So weak is incorrect word and strong is the correct word over here. So let us see what we have done in these 5 sentences. We have underlined the incorrect words and we have written the correct words in the given space. So if you have missed out any of these 5, please write it down. I will read out again for you. Joint gives shape to our body. Joint is the wrong word. Bones is the correct word. Bones give shape to our body. Number 2 was we can squeeze our body around the joints. Squeeze is the wrong word. We can bend our body around the joints. Next, number 3, bones are covered by fingers. Fingers is the wrong word. Muscles is the correct word. Bones are covered by muscles. Then number 4 was we should always have an upleft posture. Upleft, wrong word. Upright is the correct word. We should always have an upright posture. Then number 5 we had seen weak muscles help a weightlifter to lift weight. Wrong. Weak is the wrong word. Strong is the correct word. Strong muscles help a weightlifter to lift weight. Then next heading, you can give the heading in your notebook GOW, that means give one word for the following sentences. There are 3 give one words over here. We have to read the sentence and we have to write one word answer over here, just like we did in the textual exercise as we do in all the lessons. So let us read and please just write the answers. Number 1, the strong part of something that gives it shape. What is the strong part in our body that gives the shape? The strong part because of which we can get shape is the skeletal system. Let us write. So write down the answer. You have to write down the spelling skeletal, skeletal, system, system. Skeletal system gives the shape to something. Because of that you can sit, stand and walk. That is your skeletal system. It is made up of bones. Next, place where 2 or more bones meet. So which is the place where 2 or more bones meet? That place which helps your body to bend backside in a front side. That place where 2 or more bones meet together, they are joined together. That place is called a joint. So let us write the answer. Joint, JOINT. Write down the second answer. Place where 2 or more bones meet is called joint, JOINT, joint. In the previous video we have seen different types of joints, like we have seen knee joint, neck joint, etc. So these are different types of joints. Then number 3, it is given the hard part of the body which protect the soft inner part. So which is the hard part of the body which protects the soft inner parts? Do you remember the name? Bones. Bones are the hard parts of our body and they protect the inner parts which are very soft. So here is the answer. Please write down the answer. The hard parts of the body which protect the soft inner parts, that is BONES, bones. And how many bones do we have? As you know, we have more than 200 bones in our body. So these are the 3 given words. Let us revise what we have written. The strong part of something that gives the shape, that is skeletal system. Place where 2 or more bones meet is called joint. The hard part of the body which protects the soft inner parts, that is bones. Now next heading, give the next heading, answer the following. Means these are the question answers and these are the extra questions which we have not learnt in the textual exercise, which are not to be written in the fair book, but they are just for your knowledge. So let us read and understand what is given. What cannot be done without a skeleton? So if a skeleton is not there in our body, which things we cannot do? Do you know? Skeleton is the thing which allows us to walk, stand. It gives the shape to our body. So without skeleton, what can we not do? So the answer is given. Without skeleton, we would not be able to stand straight. If skeleton would not be there, then what would happen? We would not be able to stand straight. We would fall down. Right now we are standing straight, we can sit straight, we can sleep straight, but that is only because we have skeleton. If skeleton would be removed, then we would not be able to stand straight. That is the answer. Again I will read the question and the answer. You have to read along with me. What cannot be done without a skeleton? Without a skeleton, we would not be able to stand straight. We would fall down. Next, number 2, you just have to read. You do not have to write these question answers. Why should we exercise every day? So, this is about the importance of exercise. Some people exercise every day, they do yoga, they play different outdoor games. So, that all is counted in exercise. So, what is the need of exercising every day? So, the answer is we should exercise every day to make our bones and muscles strong. So, that is why it is very important to exercise. Why we have to make our bones and muscles strong. If you want to make your bones and muscles strong, then you must exercise every day at least for a few minutes. You can say 15 to 20 minutes, or if possible for half an hour. So again I will read along with me. Why should we exercise every day? We should exercise every day to make our bones and muscles strong. Next, what is a posture and how does a good posture help us? So, what is the meaning of this word posture? And what is the use of a good posture? What is the benefit of good posture? The position of our body when we stand, sit, or walk is called posture. So, whenever you sit, stand, or walk, that position of your body is known as your posture. Then, a good posture helps us stay healthy. If your posture is good, you will never fall ill, you will never have any kind of pain in your body like back pain, then joint pain, etc. If you have a good posture, if you stand straight and sit straight, then you will never have any kind of pain and you will stay healthy. Next, why do number of bones become less when we grow old? So as we know, a baby has around 300 bones, an adult has only 200, around 200 bones. So why does the number become less as we grow older, as your age increases? Why does the number of bones decrease? Because many of your baby's bones will fuse together. Means some bones which are 300 bones in the childhood, that will fuse together, that will connect together, and two bones will become single one bone. That's why the number of bones will decrease, because some bones will fuse together. There are 3 or 4 bones which might fuse and become one. So obviously the number of bones will decrease, it will become less. Next, fill in the blanks. Now this is something which you have to write in your book. You just have to write the answers, not the whole sentence. Fill in the blanks with the correct letters. So here the blanks are given. Let us write the answers one by one. So number 1 is given. Dash muscles are found in a sports person's body. So a sports person is a very strong person. For example, a cricketer, a football player, they are very strong people. So which kind of muscles do they have? They have strong muscles. So the answer is strong, strong. Strong muscles are found in a sports person's body. Because they are very strong, so are their muscles. Dash uses his muscles to pedal. Now pedal is something which you find on a cycle. On a bicycle you will see pedals are there, and you have to pedal and you have to move the wheels, and only then you can move with your hard work. Pedal is something which is found in cycle. So Dash uses his muscles to pedal. While you are pedaling the cycle, which person pedals the cycle? The person who rides the cycle is called a cyclist. So a cyclist uses his muscles to pedal. Learn the spelling and write along. CYCLIST, cyclist. What is the meaning of this word? Cyclist means the person who rides cycle. That person who rides the cycle is called a cyclist. Cyclist uses his muscles to pedal. Whenever he moves his legs, he cycles the pedal, and so his muscles also become strong. So if you ride a cycle, you are also called a cyclist. Next, dash body had strong muscles and bones. So which kind of body has strong muscles and bones? Only if your body is healthy. Only then your bones and muscles will be strong. So over here, what should we write? Healthy. So the spelling is Healthy. Healthy. Healthy means very strong. Never you never fall sick. You never fall ill. That is called your healthy body. So healthy body has strong muscles and bones. If your bones and muscles are strong, that means your body is very healthy. Next, number 4. Dash should always be kept straight. What should you keep straight? As I told you, you should sit straight, you should walk straight, you should stand straight, right? So, what should we keep straight? What are all these things? Standing, sitting, walking. All these things are called your posture. So, learn the spelling Posture. Posture. Posture should always be kept straight. If you keep your posture straight, you will never fall sick. You will always be healthy. So the answer is posture. Then number 5, dash and muscles work together to help us work and play. So which are the two things that work together? Dash and muscles, and they work together, and so we can work and play and we can do all the things. So it is the name of the lesson. I hope you remember the name of the lesson. Lesson number 5, that is bones and muscles. So bones and muscles work together, help us work and play. So here is answer number 5. You can note down the answer. BONES. Bones. Bones and muscles work together, and so we can work and play. So 5 blanks we have done. Let us recall all the answers. So if you have not written, please write down the answer. Strong muscles are found in a sports person's body. Cyclist uses his muscles to pedal. Healthy body has strong muscles and bones. Posture should always be kept straight. Bones and muscles work together to help us work and play. Next. So the next thing that we have is match the following. Let us match the following. The 4 options are given on both the sides. We have to match the correct option. Left side, the options are given. These are the words which are taken from the lesson bones and muscles. And what is the work of these 4 things? That is given on the right hand side. So what do we have to do? We have to select the correct word for the correct function that it performs. First, let us read all that. Here is skeleton, then joint, posture and strong muscles. On the right hand side it is given position of our body, exercise, more than 200 bones, 2 or more bones connect. So let us start joining them. Here you have to write the answer. You have to write the word along with the answer. Please write both the things, or you can write as I have written. You can write this 4 on the left hand side and this 4 on the right hand side. You can make 2 columns as you can see on the screen. Or you can write question and then direct answer in front of the question. So number 1 is skeleton. So what is the work of a skeleton? Can you tell me the work of a skeleton over here? So the correct option for skeleton we can see over here is it has more than 200 bones, because more than 200 bones are there in our body, and the framework of the bones is called skeleton. So skeleton has more than 200 bones. So the correct answer I will match for you, and you also have to match and write in your book. Skeleton has more than 200 bones. Then number 2, joint, joint. So joint connects 2 things, it joins. So which is the correct option? 2 or more bones connect, means 2 or more bones are joined together, and that place is called the joint. There are so many joints in human body. So the correct answer is joint will connect 2 or more bones together. Then number 3 is given posture, posture. So what is the correct answer for posture over here? Posture is the position of your body when you sit, stand or walk. So that is called your posture. So answer number 3 matches with the first option. Posture means the position of our body. The posture should always be straight. You should always be sitting straight, and you must have an upright posture, as we have discussed in the previous questions. Then last one which is left, strong muscles. So for strong muscles, the answer is exercise. If you exercise regularly, if you exercise every day, as I told you, for 15 to 20 minutes, or if possible for 30 minutes every day, then your muscles will be strong. Just like that weightlifter, we had seen in the first question how the weightlifter has strong muscles. So if you want to make your muscles strong, you should exercise regularly. That is the only way you can make your muscles strong. So now I suppose you all have written the correct options and the correct answers with the options. Let us revise what all we have done in today's video. In today's video, we have solved the first question bank of lesson number 5, bones and muscles. In that, the first question we have done, that is underline the incorrect word and write the correct one in the given space. First one, joint gives shape to our body. Wrong. Bones give shape to our body. We can squeeze our body around the joints. It is wrong. We can bend our body around the joints. Next was bones are covered by fingers. Wrong. Bones are covered by muscles. Then we should always have an uplift posture. Wrong. We should always have an upright posture. After that, we have seen weak muscles help a weightlifter to lift the weight. Wrong. Strong muscles help the weightlifter to lift the weight. Then we have seen give one word. Which are that 3? The strong part of something that gives the shape, that is skeletal system. Place where 2 or more bones meet or join together, that is called a joint. The hard parts of the body which protect the soft inner parts, that is bones. Then we have seen question answers. What cannot be done without a skeleton? Without a skeleton, we would not be able to stand straight. Number 2 was, why should we exercise every day? We should exercise every day to make our bones and muscles strong. What is the posture and how does a good posture help us? The posture of our body is when we sit, stand or walk. A good posture will help you to stay healthy. Next, why do the number of bones become less when we grow old? Many of your baby's bones will fuse together, will join together, which means the actual number of bones will decrease. Then fill in the blanks we had done. Strong muscles are found in a sports person's body. Cyclist uses his muscles to pedal. Healthy body has strong bones and muscles. Posture should always be kept straight. Bones and muscles work together to help us work and play. Then we had seen match the following. In match the following, we have seen 4 options and 4 answers. Which are they? Skeleton. Skeleton has more than 200 bones. It is the framework of the bones joined together. Joint. Joint connects 2 or more bones. There are different types of joints in our body, like neck joint, knee joint, elbow joint, etc. Posture. Posture means the position of your body is called your posture. And last, number 4, strong muscles means exercise. If you exercise regularly, your bones and muscles will be strong. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and you will watch a video a second time, and you will revise your lessons, and you will write this question bank one time in your rough book. Thank you all of you.